Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. We won't be using the official YouTube app for this, and we also won't use the picture-in-picture mode. What you have to do is to open Safari or your web browser which you like to use. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari and then go to youtube.com, so wait until YouTube's website loads in your web browser. Then click on Request Desktop Website. Now wait until the website loads. Then you click on your YouTube profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now find the settings in this menu. This will open the YouTube settings and go to the left part of the screen until you see an advanced settings button. When you click that, you're going to see your user ID and YouTube channel ID here. You can copy it and do whatever you need with it. So that is how you can find the YouTube channel ID on mobile. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fix.